Yes, guys, this is the second part 2. Deuxième partie. Avait dit partie 2. L'homme si moun nan kwem en anglais. Kwem. On dit believe me. Believe me. Believe what I say. Kwem ça me dit ya. Believe me. Kwem. Believe me. Kwem. Pas faire ça. Pas faire ça. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Pas faire ça. Don't do that. Si m'a dit pas faire ça encore, dis don't do that anymore. Don't do that anymore. Anymore. I add this word. M'a ajouté mot ça. Don't do that. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Believe me. Kwem. Believe me. Don't do that anymore. Pas faire ça encore. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Chita. Chita. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a. On va comprendre ça dans le chapitre. Have a seat. Have a seat, please. Have a seat. I don't say have a. The word isn't written like this. It is totally different. It's totalement différent. And the sound, no son. This is sit. This is sit. Ça c'est siège, même place là. N'a pas le vocabulaire. N'a pas. Have a seat. Have a seat, please. Chita. Listen to me, please. Attention, be careful for this word. You say listen. I don't say listen, no. Listen to me. Listen. Listen to Jack. Listen to Peter. Listen to what I'm saying. Tendez ça, ma bzia. Listen. Listen to your daddy. Tendez, papa. Listen to me, please. No problem. No problem. Pas de problème. No problem. No problem. No problem. Les sons qui a changé intonation, yo, ça dépend de ce qu'on dit. Situation, contexte là. The context, the situation. Dit, listen to me, please. This. No problem. The next one is, Rilim kunya. Call me now. Call me now. Call me now. Call me. Pas dit call. Dit call me. Call me. Allez. Call me. Call me now. Now veut dire kunya. Okay, talk to me now. Okay, listen to me now. Vous connaissez ça que listen là. C'est attendez. Écoutez. Okay? Bon, différence entre to hear avec to listen. Call me now. William Peter, call me later. Don't forget to call me later. Ooh. Don't forget to call me later. Pas oublier, William Peter. Okay. Don't forget me. It's a devs. Don't forget. L'on dit forget là, c'est oublier. Tu dis pas oublier, don't forget me. Sois intelligent, comme on dit pas oublier relem. Comme on dit relem. Comme si appeler, c'est to call. Don't forget to call me. Ou pas j'ai une bagaille, il était là. Vous avez intérêt à acheter comme ça. Pas gain jouet dans ça. Ça c'est Learn English Master Class. On tout pas toucher. Merci tout le monde. Congratulations. Félicitations. Congratulations. 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 OK? La prononciation, on va voir sur le site là. Oui, ça me dit congratulations. Toujours mettez S. Always add the letter S. Toujours mettez, ajoutez lettre S là. In the word congratulations. I love you so much, baby. Ooh, I love you so much. Moi, mais on appelle. I love you so much. I love you so much. Moi, mais en pile. This part. Pas abandonner. Don't give up. Don't give up. Ça, c'est give. You pas give. It's not give. It's the sound is A. You say, don't give up. Don't give up in life. Okay, you need to struggle. Ou besoin lutter. Don't give up. Pas abandonner. M'prêt. Oh, m'prêt. Okay, teacher, commencez quoi? Teacher, start the class parce que m'prêt. Because I'm ready. I'm ready. Est-ce que prêt? Comme on dit ça en anglais? Puis une question yo, nous parlons pile de questions, puis dans pile de questions et dans ce site là, côté on tester connaissance pour qui sont apprendre. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready to follow you. I'm ready to listen to you. Oh, that's good. Prends soin de tout. Prends soin de tout. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Prends soin de tout. Take care of yourself, baby. See you later. See you then. À bientôt. See you then. All right. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, teacher, pour qui sorti? I don't know. Yes. Eh bien, me dit I don't. I don't know. I don't know that. I don't know how to speak like that. M'pas connais comment me parler comme ça. Me dit I don't know. Est-ce que connais? Do you know? Now finish. Copy. Où chita toi? Stand up. Okay, chita là. Comment desi moun nan chita là? Desi chita. Have a seat. Bah ouais. The first part. Now première partie, I'm desi have a seat. Chita là. Okay? All right. Stand up. Okay? Yeah, stand up. That's good. I'm afraid. I'm peur. L'autre dit peur. En anglais, on dit I'm afraid. Moi peur. Okay? I'm afraid. Ou font erreur? You make a mistake. You make a mistake. Well, ouais, comment me dit you make a mistake. C'est ça pour apprendre l'anglais avant. You make a mistake. Oh, teacher, you make a mistake here. Okay? I'm afraid. I'm single. You are not married? No, I'm not married yet. I'm single. Yes, I'm single. L'autre dit ou célibataire, en anglais, c'est single. En anglais, single. I am single. Ou célibataire, you are single. I don't speak Spanish. Je ne parle pas l'espagnol. I don't speak. Oh, parler. En anglais, c'est speak. Oh, I'm going to speak English. Je vais parler anglais. Yeah, yes, I'm going to speak English. Okay, if you follow this course, you will speak English. Souci pour ça, ou pral parler anglais. I don't speak Spanish. Je ne parle pas l'espagnol. Ou ap di moun nan, pas parler français. I don't speak French. Je vais parler da. On met langue parle. Okay? S'il vous plaît, please. Wow. Please, disez moi ça. Disez-moi non mais cours anglais tout partout là, bin acheter seulement avec bâton. Merci. Ça c'est deuxième partie. Let's go for the next part. On allait pour l'autre partie.